In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll in a free Coursera course. Whether you're looking to expand your knowledge, gain new skills, or just explore a new interest, Coursera has a wealth of courses available, and many of them are accessible at no cost. Let's dive into the process of enrolling in a free course on Coursera so you can start learning right away. First things first, you need to visit the Coursera website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.coursera.org. Once you're on the home page, if you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account. You have the option to sign up using your email address, or you can use your Google or Apple account for convenience. Already have an account? Simply click on the login button and enter your credentials. Now that you're logged in, it's time to search for the course you're interested in. At the top of the Coursera homepage, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and type in the subject or topic you're curious about. Alternatively, you can browse through different categories such as business, computer science, or health to find something that suits your interests. Once you've found a course that piques your interest, go ahead and click on the course title. This will take you to a detailed page where you can read the course description, check out the syllabus, and see reviews from other students. This step is crucial to ensure the course aligns with your learning goals and expectations. After deciding that it's the right course for you, locate the Enroll for Free button. It's important to note that Coursera may offer a 7-day free trial for the full course experience, but if you're looking for a truly free experience, you'll want to search for the Audit the Course option. This option might be listed as full course, no certificate, or directly as Audit the Course. By clicking on Audit, you will have free access to all course materials and lessons, but you won't receive a certificate upon completion. With your course audited, you'll be officially enrolled and can start learning immediately. If you happen to choose a paid option or are taking advantage of the trial, remember to keep track of the trial period to avoid incurring any charges. You can cancel the trial anytime before it ends. To begin your learning journey, head over to My Courses, which you can find in your profile section. From there, click on Start Course to dive right into the videos, reading materials, and exercises provided. And there you have it. You're all set to explore and